How to fix dark screen on Snapchat. Hello guys, today I will show you how to fix this problem on Snapchat. Just watch the video until the end. You go first guys and you go to the setting of your phone, where is here, and open your settings. Then on settings you have to find application. You will just open, then you will find all your application that you have on your phone, but you look for Snapchat, and when you found Snapchat you have to open it. Then you will go to storage, and then follow me, you will go to clear data here and click, then click OK. Then when you back your problem on Snapchat dark screen, it will like fix, so you will not suffer of this problem again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.